मुकुल वासनिक जी, श्री इलंगोवन जी, कनिमोजी जी, श्री गोपीनाथ जी, श्री TKS इलंगोवन जी, श्री तंगबालू जी, श्री K जयकुमार जी, श्रीमती खुशबू सुंदर जी, श्री P पालेनासामी जी, श्री JD सीलम, candidates, leaders, workers from the Congress party and our alliance partners, friends from the media, welcome, Vanakkam. Tamil Nadu, the source of Tamil Nadu is the Kaveri River. When you drink a bottle of mineral water or you have a bath in the morning, or a farmer puts water into his field, you are taking from the Kaveri River. And the Kaveri River, it starts in Karnataka and it flows for 500 kilometers until it disappears into the sea in Pumpuhar. There is not a single person in Tamil Nadu, not anyone who lives here or anyone who comes from outside, even a tourist who comes for 5 minutes, who does not touch and benefit from the Kaveri River. In fact, the Kaveri River does not announce what it does. It does not make big statements. It just flows through Tamil Nadu. It gives life to the people of Tamil Nadu, and it gives a future to the people of Tamil Nadu. It flows right near the soil, it flows on top of the soil, and it is humble. Tamil Nadu has had the good fortune to have leaders like the Kaveri River. Leaders that were humble, that reached out to every single person in Tamil Nadu, that embraced people in Tamil Nadu, that loved people in Tamil Nadu, and gave their life working for the people of Tamil Nadu. Among these leaders was Mr. Kamaraj from the Congress party. Even MGR was such a leader. Karunanidhi ji is such a leader. Like the river, they didn't close their doors to anybody. They were available for anybody who wanted to meet them or speak to them. And if this city was called Manchester of South India, then it was leaders like Kamraj, like Karunanidhi ji, who made it happen. They reached out to people, and I want to tell you a little story about our leader, Mr. Kamraj. One day, like the Kaveri River, Mr. Kamraj was traveling around Tamil Nadu, and he met a person and he asked him, "Do you send your son to school?" And the man answered, "No, I don't send my son to school. How can I send my son to school? My son has to work for me, and my son has to eat food in my house." So Kamaraj ji asked him a question. He said, "Suppose there was food in the school, would you send your son to the school?" And the farmer answered, 100% I will send my son to school. Every single bureaucrat of that time said that this is a useless idea. All the experts said this is a useless idea. But Mr. Kamaraj said, "No, this is an idea that is coming from the heart of Tamil Nadu, from the people of Tamil Nadu, and the people of Tamil Nadu are wise." Kamaraj ji respected the wisdom of the poor. And I can proudly tell you today that the midday meal program that was carried out by the UPA government and was started by Mr. Kamaraj has transformed the lives of millions and millions of children in this country. And there is another type of leader. There is a leader, as I described, like the Kaveri river, but there is also a leader that looks like an island. This leader does not need to reach out to other people. This leader does not believe that the poor people have wisdom. This type of leader believes that they have all the answers to everyone's problems. We have two of them today in this country.
Pardon?
One is sitting in Delhi, he is the Prime Minister of the country, and the other one is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. They know everything that has to be known. They don't have to leave their house. They can live inside their house and magically they know everything that is going on in Tamil Nadu. They don't come and speak to the workers in the factories. They're not speaking to the jewelers who are suffering today. They're not listening to the pain of the jewelers who are saying, do not extort from us. This city provides pumps to the entire country. If there are 2 water pumps sold, one of them comes from this city. In the whole of India. When was the last time your Chief Minister went to one of those factories and asked the people working over there, what do you need? What do you want? How can I help you? This is a democratic country and the voices of our people need to be listened to. There is no debate in the Vidhan Sabha and the voice of the opposition is suppressed and curtailed. But leaders don't only listen. Leaders play another very important role. When their people feel pain, when their people are suffering, the leaders provide support. And I want to tell you a little story about a little Tamil girl who studies in the 9th grade. Her name is Satya. Satya, as you know, means truth. And Satya represents the truth of Tamil Nadu. Satya's family lived happily without many problems. Then one day, in their village, a wine shop opened. Her father, who had never drunk alcohol before, started to drink alcohol. He became addicted to alcohol. He sold his house and then he sold his land. Eventually his habit killed him. His wife, who used to work day and night to support the family, gave up and she herself died a few weeks after. Satya became an orphan. And she became an orphan because of the liquor policy of the AIDMK. And in the same way Satya became an orphan, the people of Tamil Nadu feel orphaned because their leader does not want to speak to them, does not want to reach out to them, does not want to hold them, does not want to talk to them. Jayalalitha ji made many promises. To come to power, she promised you that she would give you 5,000 rupees worth of gifts. She said she would give you mixies. And when you brought the mixies home and you started the mixies, within a few days the mixies broke down. But what Jayalalitha ji did not tell you is that even though she gave you broken mixies and she promised you 5,000 rupees, what she did not tell you was that her liquor policy would take 65,000 rupees from every single family in Tamil Nadu. She didn't tell you that she would increase the number of liquor shops from 1,800 to 6,800 in 5 years. She did not tell you that she would create thousands and thousands of little Satyas in this beautiful state. She did not tell you that the highest percentage of agricultural laborers would be in this state. She did not tell you that 90% of Dalits would not own an inch of land in this state. She didn't tell you that 50% of your population would work as manual laborers. She didn't tell you that 94 lakh youngsters would be unemployed. She didn't tell you that there would be corruption at every level of government and that companies would not come here because they would be scared of it. That is the truth, that is the Satya of Tamil Nadu today. The Congress party and the DMK are probably going to win the election soon. Our leaders do not stay behind closed doors. Our leaders go and see the damage that happened in the floods in Chennai. They don't mind getting a little bit wet. They don't mind helping some poor people lift their bags out of the flood water. We want to give you humble leadership. We want to give you leadership that is going to listen to the people of Tamil Nadu like Kamrajji. And we want that leadership to reach out to the poor, to embrace the poor. We want that leadership to waive loans for farmers of the nationalized banks. We want that leadership to make sure that every person above 60 years old gets a pension. We want that leadership to build Tamil Nadu once again and make it the center of manufacturing in India. And we don't want to be called the Manchester of South India. We want Manchester to look over here and want them to be called after us. We want Manchester to be called Coimbatore of North England. And this can be done if your leadership is humble, if your leadership listens to the people of this state. And finally, I want to commit to the women of Tamil Nadu and to that little girl called Satya. We are not going to let alcohol destroy your lives. And we will make sure that there are no more Satyas like that little girl. Finally, we will give you a corruption-free government in Tamil Nadu. And we will take the strictest action against those that are corrupt. Thank you for coming here this evening. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Vanakkam.